Warning, this article contains spoilers from The Alienist on Netflix. Netflix released The Alienist in its entirety last week. For aunces to binge watch in one go. The Alienist has been adapted from the novel of the same title by Caleb Carr. Netflix's gruesome murder mystery set during the Gilded Age saw a serial killer brutally murder young male prostitutes and horrifically mutilate the corpses of his victims. It's a race against time as the investigators try to stop the before he strikes again. Will there be another season of The Alienist? What causes the silver smile in The Alienist on Netflix? During the investigation to catch the Alienist, Dr. Laszlo Kreisler, played by Daniel Bruhl, and his team are told the suspect has a silver smile. Newspaper illustrator John Moore, Luke Evans, later discovers that the silver smile occurs when mercury is used to treat syphilis after going to visit a dentist to find out more. Later on, the is finally revealed and does have a silver smile. The chilling reveal happens as the arrives at a brothel and seems to also confirm that he has the evilly transmitted disease. Author Carr, who was a military historian, meticulously researched the time period in which The Alienist is set, and so the use of mercury as a cure for syphilis is very much rooted in reality. However, there seems to little evidence to suggest that the silver smile is caused simply by having mercury treatment, unless of course the was rubbing it into his gums and teeth. Is The Alienist based on a true story? Was mercury really used to treat syphilis? Despite being highly toxic and ultimately lethal, mercury was indeed used to treat syphilis. An entry from the pharmaceutical journal reads, mercury was the remedy of choice for syphilis in Protestant Europe. Paracelsus, 1493–1541, formulated mercury as an ointment because he recognized the toxicity and risk of poisoning when administering mercury as an elixir. Patients would be given mercury pills or asked to apply ointment with the poisonous substance in it to treat their condition. Was Theodore Roosevelt really the New York police commissioner? In fact, a print by William Hogarth appears to show the Viscount Squanderfield and his mistress suffering from the effects of the evilly transmitted disease. Unsurprisingly, many would from mercury poisoning before succumbing to their effects of the disease. The use of mercury had been around for centuries as a means to treat syphilis. In the 16th century, a concoction of tree bark and mercury were used for the ailment. It was only in the 1940s with the discovery of penicillin that syphilis was finally effectively and safely treated. The Alienist is available to watch on Netflix now.